For Science and Art class today, we are doing part 3 of the musical instrument series. And in today's class, we are learning about the trumpet. Let's go! Watch the 3 fingers move quickly up and down. See the light shining off the horn. Hear the sound toot toot toot. He is playing the trumpet. The trumpet is a wind instrument made of metal tubing. The metal is curved in an oval shape. A trumpet is played with the mouth. A player blows air through the trumpet, then sound comes out the other end of the trumpet. The end of the trumpet has a big opening. The metal flares out. This part is called the bell because it has a bell shape. There are 3 keys on a trumpet. These keys are called valves. A player makes different sounds by pushing the valves. A player makes sounds by changing the shape of the mouth too. The lips vibrate while playing the trumpet. The trumpet is an old instrument. People in China played a kind of trumpet thousands of years ago. Now, trumpets are played all over the world. Trumpets are very important to many people. Long ago, people used them to make announcements. Today, trumpets are usually played to make music. Trumpets are very important for many kinds of music. Many trumpet players are famous for jazz music. Children also play trumpets in school bands like this. Toot toot toot. Playing the trumpet is so much fun. Now let's go through the 4 new words that we learned in today's book. The first word is bell, which is the end of the trumpet that is shaped like a bell. A trumpet sound comes out of the bell. Jazz is a type of music that is lively and rhythmic. Jazz music can be played on a trumpet. Tubing is long hollow pipe. Trumpets are made of metal tubing. And finally, valves are movable parts that are pressed on a trumpet. A trumpet has 3 valves. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the trumpet? Let me know down below. And also, share with me what instrument you'd like to learn one day. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.